So I'm at Dingwall Station on the Far North Line. Today is Friday the 3rd of February and that means the opening to passenger services at the new Inverness Airport station. So that's where we're off to today, to have a little look round the new station. Right, Inverness, here we are, uneventful, and it's time to get a coffee before the next leg. So that is the caffeine fix sorted, and we're just going to jump on the 11:45 service to Elgin and getting off the first stop, Inverness Airport.
This is Inverness Airport.
Right, here we are. So let's have a little look around the facilities, such as they are. It's not going to win any awards for aesthetics, I don't think. Well, actually, probably will. But there we go. Functional, I would say. Waiting room there. Passing loop is useful, I suppose. That's all very good. And it just got that new shiny feel. The new station is equipped with a ticket machine, and from what I can tell, it only accepts card payments. And there are 5 fast charger posts for electric vehicles operated by BP Pulse, and got the blue light, so they are working. So 5 posts, so 10 charge points, and I quite like this one because they've got the EV charge point in the disabled car parking bay, which I've not seen before, but I think that's a very good idea. So we've got a bus station as well as a walking route, and I think if you're carrying lots of luggage, then you're going to want to take the bus rather than do the walking route, unless you're feeling particularly healthy and want to do some exercise. Right, let's try this walking route to the airport. I don't believe the buses are running yet. They may be. There's no timetables in the waiting room, but walking is good. It's like the thinking man's running, I'm told. And I'll be honest, I got lost, but there is definitely a lighted walkway between the station and the airport terminal. So there are buses running, that's good. But the walk is also good. Now I was thinking in terms of connections, the first train leaves Inverness Monday to Saturday at 4:56 in the morning. So that will easily get you into the airport to catch the early morning flights to London, Manchester, Stornoway. And the last train leaves 22:24, so again, evening flights, Monday to Saturday, no problem at all. It might be a bit trickier on a Sunday to use the train to catch an early flight, but you know, when you live in the north of Scotland, that's just part of life. You just have to make allowances for things and make plans. So if you're based in Inverness, I think this is going to be great. Great station. Again, if you're further north, it's going to take more planning, but it can be done, and I think it's going to be a really useful addition to the area, having a train station, a railway station I should say, with connecting buses. I think that's a really, really good idea. So super. Now, the one thing this lovely, shiny new railway station doesn't appear to have is a toilet. And that's not because I want to review it, it's because I actually need to go. See, you get to a certain age, it's no fun. See, that just shows how much or how little I know. Oh, there's no buses, I'll have to walk. Of course there's buses running. Ah, dear. Actually, partly I blame social media because there's a big stink on Facebook about you have to walk, there's no buses. There are buses. So I suppose the lesson is you can't always believe everything that you read on social media. Okay, YouTube. When did platforms with an incline at the end of them become a thing of the past, and why? Lift access.
Platform level. Doors opening. Lift going up. Footbridge level. Doors opening.
Inverness, and yes, I think Inverness Airport Station, what an addition to the network. I think it's going to be really, really useful. I certainly hope to use it in the future for onward travels, and thanks for watching. Look out for the next video. I'm off to find a toilet.